Hi, I'm Kevin Harrington, an original shark from Shark Tank. Restore Naturals has some of the most effective, eco-friendly cleaning products in the world. You've got to check them out.
Making safe, conscious decisions for you and your family shouldn't end with cleaning products. Committed to protecting the environment and your well-being, Restore Naturals offers environmentally friendly cleaning products for your entire household. Made in the USA from plant-based ingredients, our all-natural products are safer, greener, and just as powerful. Unlike other brands that use harmful chemicals, ours are renewable and biodegradable. Our packaging is recyclable, which means less plastic in landfills, protecting the planet one bottle at a time. Keep your home clean, naturally, with Restore Naturals. Order now and get a free hand sanitizer when you use promo code HSTV at RestoreNaturals.com.